How would you like a done-for-you autoresponder, which is going to have the same features that you see in things like Aweber or GetResponse, but it won't cost you a penny to keep it going. It's going to be completely free, and you'll be able to send up to 80,000 emails every single month forever. There's no cost for the 80,000 emails. The only thing you need is a domain name, and I'm going to show you how to get a domain name that will work with this thing for $1.88. That's your only cost. If that sounds interesting to you, I think you are going to love what I have in my bonus for Leadono. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I'm not the man in the hat. That's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the very few people that can pose testfully. Well, me and my buddy Raymond over here.
Concierge of crime? Man in the hat?
Now, if you're new to that, by the way, if you're not new, you know by now that you can skip ahead. My jokes, they're really, really stale, and they're dad jokes. I get it, It's like people ask me, Eric, is that really you? And I say, no, it's a serial killer. Give me a box of Cheerios. I'll show you how I stab it. Okay, but seriously, if you are new though, what I do here is two things: I review software products to make money online niche. And why would I do such a thing? You might ask, well, it's very basic, no submission that you and I buy much of rap.
Crap, I like crap. I love crap. I need crap.
Okay, dude, this is getting annoying. Okay, it was fun before, but it's really, really annoying. You don't want the crap. They don't want it. Nobody wants it. Stop it already. All right, so irritated. Anyway, seriously, if you are new, the way things work here, if I like a product, I will give a tip. My hat's a product creator. If I don't, better luck next time. I also do a lot of Israel, a lot of mindset, and entrepreneurship.
Musician, scholar, rake, entrepreneur, conspiracy theorist.
No, actually, just an entrepreneur. Thank you. And by the way,
Where is Liz Lemon?
exactly. Good God, where is Liz Lemon? Anyway, but seriously, if you are new, make sure you smash that subscribe button, hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop my videos. Like this video, comment down below. Let's go ahead and get right into this. So we're looking right now at the sales page for Leadono. Now, this is a really, really cool new software that I just found out about. Now, what this software does, it's designed to get you the very best quality email leads. Now, basically, what it does for you is like this. You know how you go to certain websites and it says to you, sign in with Google or sign in with Amazon or wherever it is. And the reason that those are really valuable is because when people sign with Google or with Amazon, that's usually a quality email address, as opposed to the email address that they usually use for a free lead, free gift, whatever it is. Usually they give you whatever crappy email address. I mean, I've seen people put in email just from like 10-minute mail, which is basically disappearing emails. It's completely worthless to you. They're just getting their free stuff and walking away. You want a quality lead. This gets you the quality. I'm going to show you exactly how the software works in just a second. It's really, really easy to use. But before I do that, I do want to tell you about my custom bonus, because as always, I do have the very best custom bonus for you. So in a previous promotion, I actually talked about getting a free email, free domain name. Now, some people didn't like the domain names that I suggested because some people consider the particular style to be spammy, whatever it is. So I did a lot of research for you. I also found another website that you can actually host your website for free, which gives you a lot more features than you're going to get from the place that I recommended in my previous stuff. So this is going to be a different place I can recommend for hosting, a different place to get an email and get a domain name. Basically, what we're going to do is like this. I'm going to show you step by step. It's going to take a few steps. It'll take you about 20 minutes to set it up. And I have an over-my-shoulder video showing you exactly what to do, how to do it, exactly what to copy and paste. All just copy and paste stuff. A couple of different places you got to copy and paste those, so you got to follow along. But the video is going to be very specific, showing you exactly what to do. I'm going to show you how to get a done-for-you autoresponder. Now, this is going to be very similar to Aweber or GetResponse or any of the other ones that you're familiar with. It comes with beautiful templates. It's done for you. But the nice thing is this is what's called self-hosted, which basically means that you own the autoresponder, which means that they can't take it away from you. So The thing with Aweber or any of these other places, if they ever decide they don't like you for whatever reason, they can shut down your account and you lose your list. I've had it happen to me, and I know other people who have happened to as well. Like this, you are not beholden to Aweber or GetResponse or any of these other places. Okay, you have your own private service that you have your email list hosted on with all your current emails, and it's got the same professional quality templates that you're going to see with all these big guys. And I'm also going to show you how to get a brand new free email address, like a professional email address, where it can be like, for example, mine would be Eric at Man in the Hat. You will be able to do whatever you want for your own email address. So you're going to be able to get that a professional email address for free. Okay, that's going to be included as well. All right. Plus, I'm going to give you 300 bonuses that you can give away. And I'm going to show you how to get a professional domain name. This is not the same as the one I've talked about in previous bonuses. This is a completely different thing that I've just found. You can buy a professional domain name, which is a good quality domain name, which is going to get you ranked and everything. And you can get it for $1.88 for the year. $1.88 for the year. Renewal is going to be $4.88 for the year. So it's not technically it's not free, but it may as well be. Frankly, if you can't afford $1.88, then you probably shouldn't be looking to make money online. It's $1.88, seriously, and that's a one-time fee for the year. Everything else is going to be completely free for you. I show you step by step exactly what to do. And again, you're going to be able to use this done for you package to send up to 80,000 emails every single month, completely for free forever. You never have to pay for them, totally free. You just send them out. And I'm actually going to show you another website that can add another 12,000 emails from if you ever need it, or for whatever reason, that doesn't work out for you. You have another option, but this is going to give you 80,000 emails every single month, completely for free. Okay, and this is my personal bonus that nobody else is doing for Leadono. This is really, really cool stuff, because when I first started, I spent a fortune to pay for Aweber, and then Aweber shut me down a few months later. And like this, basically you spend $1.88. That's it. Everything else is paid for. Everything else is free. Okay, $1.88 to get yourself started. You're gonna get a professional domain name that you can run your website from. Okay, you can install an actual website at this domain name as well. You're gonna get professional hosting. You're gonna have an autoresponder that is going to be included. You're going to be able to send out 80,000 emails. You're going to have a professional email address that's going to be you at your domain name. Okay, so it's going to be everything is going to be there for you, included, and it's going to cost you $1.88 for the first year and $4.88 each additional year. And that's the only cost you're going to pay for. Everything else is going to be covered, because everything else is going to be free with what I'm showing you how to do. Okay, now, and of course, I'm going to give you the 300 bonuses. I also have another bonus that Andrew, who created Leadono, was kind enough to give me. Now, you do get, by the way, a $5 off discount. Use coupon Leadono5 off to get $5 off. So it's going to be $32 instead of $37 for the software. Now, let me show you how the software actually works. But this is a very cool software. Let me click Create New Campaign. I'm just going to call it Test. All right, let's just leave the tags alone. What's the test here? Okay, now fallback link, you're going to want to put in a link to a form from your autoresponder. Again, the autoresponder I'm going to show you has the forms built in. You can just set up a form in there. You'll be able to use that. But basically, we're just going to leave that blank for now. All right, and what we do want to do is basically select all the third-party options. Oh no, I'm sorry. 1 second. That's not what we want. Okay, we want to select. We want to capture their first name. I don't know if we need the last name, to be honest. First name is fine, and the email. Okay. Now the next thing we're going to do is click Create Campaign. We don't need to sync it to anything. If you happen to have a web or something like that, you could do that, but we don't need to do that. All right. What we're going to do is we're going to click Create Campaign. Oh, okay. It wants me to fill that out. All right. So I'm trying to put down a random thing. Okay, it doesn't really matter. We're going to click create campaign now. Now, what you can do with this thing is you can actually go ahead and tell it which social apps you want to use. So you can actually click custom. Whoops, no, not that. Trying to find where it was here. I looked at this a couple of days ago when I first heard about this. But basically, what it's going to do for you is like this. Let's just click one at random. And you can see here, here's how it works. So it's going to have the option to sign with Google, Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, Amazon, Microsoft, Yahoo, or Apple. And the idea is they're going to capture the email address that is associated with any one of these things in order to be able to get the best quality email leads. And of course, you're going to give away a free gift, which are going to be my 300 bonuses they're going to get as well. And then you can send the emails out using your autoresponder they're going to get with my custom bonus. So it's really, really simple to use. Obviously, I played with it last week, and then I've been spending the past couple of days doing research, putting together this custom bonus for you. So I kind of forgot exactly how Leadono works, but it's a really, really cool software. Now, if you pick up the bundle package as opposed to the basic package, then in addition to offering you this, I'm also going to give you Boost Optim, which is my own software for specifically getting mobile leads that are going to be high quality leads. And you're also going to get the commission bump on Boost Optim, which basically means that you can sell Boost Optim as your own and keep 100% commissions on the basic package, the first and second OTOs, one-time offers. And if I recall correctly, there's one more that's going to be like a 75% commission. So you're going to be able to get that as well. And that's going to be included for you as well. They're going to have all these things that are going to be there for you. And of course, there's also a bonus that came from Andrew as well. So yeah, so let's see if I'm going to formally give a tip my hat's a product creator or not.
You rock!
Yeah, seriously. Okay, you rock, because I love this concept where you can capture the best quality leads. And of course, when you combine it with my bonus, you really can't go wrong for this. For $32, you're going to have a ready to go autoresponder that is free forever with 80,000 leads, 80,000 emails per month. And basically you're unlike, your typical thing, like for example, MailChimp, for example, will shut you down in a second if you try to use their free service. And MailChimp also appends at the bottom of your emails. It's going to append something that says sent by MailChimp and it's free. Get your own free account. You don't have to do that. You're going to be able to remove all that. It's going to be professional quality emails, professional templates, everything included. And you're going to be able to do it all within your own hosting. So you don't have to worry that your emails are ever going to be lost because you have it in your own hosting. And keep a backup, obviously, of your website. But other than that, and that's done for you as well, basically. But yeah, so it's going to be all done for you. So yeah, this is really, really great stuff. I really do like this a lot. Grab this, you're going to love it.